Are they still flashing? I got them.
They're all flashing all over like crazy.
I got them. On video. What the fuck?
What the hell is that? There's no mountains or anything over there. There's another one, look.
No, they're flashing hella. What the fuck?
Well, Nevada is known for... Look
Look
here.
it.
What the hell is that?
What the fuck is going on, bro? UFOs.
No shit, look at it.
It's UFOs as fuck. Oh my god. Whoa.
What in the hell?
That's gotta be it, yo. That has to be. It has to be. Is it still flashing over here? It's still flashing over here?
Crazy. Look at it.
Are they moving though?
Yeah.
At the same
they're moving
time?
all over.
Keep him inside.
Cooper, come here.
Keep Cooper inside, just in case. That's a helicopter.
And now they're gone.
No, they're still flashing. It's still flashing. I just don't know what it is.
Cooper, stay here.
I hope we're not idiots, like, and this is something normal.
I can't really see it.
What is that?
I don't know, but that's fucking weird looking.
You have to tell Mommy. I wonder how. Has that been there before, or have we just not looked at the sky?
It's broad daylight. This thing is like a... What color would you say it is? Blue?
Basically the same color as the moon in the day.
It's like... It's perfectly round. You can't really tell on here. I don't know. But that is wild.
I know, we know. There is no Sept out
If
there.
that thing just takes off and goes whee, whee.
Yeah, then we're in trouble.
Alright, what time? When are you gonna put this up? Shine bright like a diamond.
It is not moving.
Except Sean's the rusty penny that you find. He's not the bright shiny one.
But it's got red lights on the bottom.
Ain't no UFO.
You see the lights?
Not a UFO. I put something on it.
Yes, it is.
Stop, this is bully man.
Calm down.
Alright, we going to the bathroom?
I don't know.
Like that.